This is another easy, quick, and delicious weeknight meal using ground beef. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making homemade hamburger gravy over biscuits. Stay tuned. So let's get started. In my skillet on medium-high, I have a pound of lean ground beef. Chopping and spreading out, and I'm letting it cook for a minute so it will caramelize and form a brown crust. This adds a good amount of flavor. I'm not chopping the beef too much as I want there to be some nice sized pieces. If you're using a fattier ground beef, you may want to drain off some of the excess fat. You want a good 3 to 4 tablespoons of fat on the bottom because next we are adding in the flour. I'm cooking and stirring for a minute or two to absorb all the flour and cook out that raw flour taste. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this homemade hamburger gravy below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. Next I'm adding in some chicken broth, just a little at a time. You can use water or beef broth. As you can see, the gravy is starting to form. For the seasonings, I'm making it real simple, and I'm adding in a packet of onion soup mix. To make it creamier, I'm also adding in a can of cream of mushroom soup. With the onion soup mix and cream of mushroom soup, I didn't need to add any salt. I am adding a little black pepper. Giving that a good mix, bringing up to a simmer, cooking and stirring for 5 minutes. Give it a taste test for any seasonings. I'm also adding in a little Worcestershire sauce and a little more black pepper. For a pop of brightness, I'm adding in some frozen peas. Giving that another good stir to heat the peas through, and we are ready to eat. If you like the gravy a little thinner, you can add more broth or water. I'm serving the homemade hamburger gravy over biscuits. I've also served this over toast, waffles, potatoes, or rice. This is such an easy and quick go-to meal. A definite comfort food. I hope you give this homemade hamburger gravy a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!